Hello everyone. In this session we will discuss about binary arithmetics. So almost all the mathematical operations which are applicable for the decimal number system are also applicable for the binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. So to understand the binary arithmetics, we need to first understand in binary arithmetic we only deal with two numbers which are called bits, 0 and 1. So basically we are going to add either 0 with 0, 0 with 1. So we are going to perform all the mathematical operations of 0 with 1 only. So to start with any arithmetical operations of binary number system, we need to understand few things. We need to know few things. Whenever a number is added with another number, we generally come up with two results, sum and carry. In the same way in binary arithmetics also, when we perform the addition, we generally come up with the two results. The first one is sum and the second one is carry. So whenever 0 is added with 0, binary 0 is added with 0, the sum is always equal to 0 and carry is always equal to 0 because we do not have any carry. When binary 0 is added with binary 1, the sum is 1 and carry is 0. Whenever binary 1 is added with binary 0, the sum is 1 and carry is 0. When 1 is added with 1, then sum is 0 and carry is 1. So we need to remember this one. When 1 is added with 1, the sum is 0 and carry is 1. Why? Because the decimal value of this 1 is 1. The decimal value of this 1 is also 1. And 1 plus 1 in decimal is always equal to 2. And the binary result for 2 is 1, 0. Where 0 is sum and 1 is carry. Now when we perform the addition of 1 plus 1 and 1, then the result is always equal to 1 1, binary 1 1, 1 1 in binary. So you can test this one in decimal also. The decimal of 1 is 1, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 is always equal to 3 and the binary of 3 is always equal to 1 1. So sum is 1 and carry is 1. So this is all about the binary addition. So basic fundamental of binary addition. Let us discuss about the binary subtraction. So we know that whenever we subtract two numbers, we generally have two things in the output, the difference and the borrow which we have taken to perform the subtraction. So whenever 0 is subtracted with 0, the difference is 0 and we have taken borrow which is equal to 0. So whenever you want to perform the subtraction of 0 and 1, you definitely need a borrow. So I have put 1 here. So I need 1 borrow. Now it is 1 0. In binary it is 1 0 and 1 0 minus 1 is always equal to 1. So this is similar to this one. 1 plus 0 is equal to sum is 1 and carry is 0. Now when you perform the subtraction of 1 and 0, the difference is 1 and the borrow is 0. And at last, when you perform the subtraction of 1 and 1, the result is 0 and borrow is 0. Now let us perform the multiplication operation. 0 into 0 is always equal to 0. 0 into 1 is always equal to 0. 1 into 0 is always equal to 0. 1 into 1 is always equal to 1. Probably the most easiest arithmetical operation in binary number system. Next, division. Now when you perform the division of 0 and 1, the result is always equal to 0. And when you perform the division of 1 and 1, the result is always equal to 1. So this is all about the basic fundamental of binary arithmetics. Now one more thing we need to keep in mind is that logical operations is totally different from the arithmetical operations. So the output may be different in both the operations also. Let us solve one example of binary addition. So I have two binary numbers. The first one is 101011. Second one is 110101. And I need to perform the addition of these two binary numbers. And I need to convert the result into decimal also. So let us see how to perform the addition. So 101011. In the second row 110101. Let us perform the addition. 1 plus 1 is always equal to 1 0, where sum is 0 and I have one carry which is equal to 1. Now 1 plus 1 sum is 0 and I have one carry which is equal to 1. Now 1 plus 1 sum is 0, I have one carry which is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 sum is 0, one carry which is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 and one carry which is 1. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 is always equal to 1 1. So this is my result. So the addition result is 1 1 0 0 0 0 0. So this is my binary addition. Now let us test the result by converting it into decimal number. So let us first find out the decimal equivalent of the first binary number 101011. So 1 into 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 2 to the power 1 is 2. 0 into 2 to the power 2 is 0. 1 into 2 to the power 3 is 8. 0 into 2 to the power 4 is 0. And finally 1 into 2 to the power 5 is 32. And once I add up all these numbers, I got 43 with base 10. Let us find out the decimal equivalent of the second binary number. 110101 is my binary number. So 1 into 2 to the power 0 is 1. 0 into 2 to the power 1 is 0. 1 into 2 to the power 2 is 4. 0 into 2 to the power 3 is 0. 1 into 2 to the power 4 is 16. And 1 into 2 to the power 5 is 32. And decimal equivalent is 53. Now let us find out the decimal equivalent of the result, which is 11000000. And my result is 32 plus 64, which is 96. Now if you add 43 and 53 in decimal number, I'll get 96 as a result. So in this way we can perform the binary addition, and we can test the result by the help of decimal equivalent. Now let us perform one binary multiplication. The question is 10101 into 101 base 2. Let us perform the multiplication. So the most conventional method for multiplication is 10101, second one is 101, second number is 101. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. Next, 0 into all the numbers are 0. Next, 1 into 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. Add all these three rows and I get 110, 100, 1, which is my binary number. So the binary multiplication will be this one. Let us take one example of division. So the same example we can take, as I got this result 1101,001 is my multiplication result. If I perform the division of this number and this number 101, I must get 10101 as a result. So let us perform the division. So 1101001 is my dividend, 101 is my divisor. The first we multiply with 1, so 101 into 1 is 101. The result is 10 minus 1 is 1. Here it is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So my result is 001. Now I can take 1 here. Now this particular 0011 is not divisible by 101. So what I will do, I will multiply with 0, 101 into 0. So the result is 0000, 101 into 0. Now I can write 0000, and once I perform the subtraction, it will be 1, 1, and I can take this 0 here. Now 101 into 1 is 101. So the result is 10, the subtraction result is 10. Once again I will multiply 101 with 0. So this will be 1 0, and I can keep this one here. I can put this one here. Now 101 into 1 is 101, and my remainder is 0, and this is my quotient. So in this way we can perform the binary division also. Now one more mathematical operation, which is binary subtraction, that we will discuss in the next class. So binary addition, multiplication and division are the easiest arithmetical operation in binary number system. But one thing which is very important in binary number system is binary subtraction, and that we are going to discuss in the next class. Thank you.